in this video, we're just going to take a look at using CoPilot, or you could use it in any of the AI tools to analyze a tone of voice. So in here, I'm looking at the National Geographic, and you might decide, oh, I really like this particular style of writing, or you might even pick it up from a website or from something, a journal article or anything like that, and you're thinking that's a really good style of writing. So all you do is you select the writing. Okay, and then you copy it, and then I'm just, one might be a little bit small of an amount, so I took it into a document over here, and I pasted, and I just put in headings, post 1, post 2, post 3, and I just copied and pasted them all in. Okay, so then we go to CoPilot, and I'll just show you over here. So I came into CoPilot, and so what I asked it to do is identify the tone of writing, the tone, writing style and reading level of this piece, which includes a few sample posts from Facebook. And then I wrote the text. And then all I did was I pasted in that document from Microsoft Word. So from here downwards is all of that document in Microsoft Word. And then I pressed enter. So that's all I did. And then this is what it brought back to me. Okay, so here's a breakdown of the tone and writing style, etc. So the tone, engaging and informative, and then varied emotions. So in terms of tone, post 1 and 2, it's saying is adventurous and inspiring. Post 3 is historical and slightly macabre. And post 4 is cautionary. So, you could use these for different posts, but again, engaging and informative is the first little thing. And then maybe some of your posts might be adventurous and inspiring, and some of them might be more cautionary or whatever. The writing style is conversational, descriptive and structured. Okay, which is good. And again, we can use these when we're creating our own posts. The reading level is accessible to a general audience. And the approximate reading age is grade 8 to 10, which is an American term, but the AI tools will know it. So using the terms that you found here, you could then ask the tool any of the AI tools to create text using this style.